Out of college, I taught high school woodworking, technical drawing, and website design, and I have built a few programs over the years in technology education in high schools and middle schools, allowing students to creatively solve problems, tinker, and just do something a little different in their school day. That path has allowed me to employ a different mindset at the community college level. The biggest thing that has led me to PVCC is my love for education. I just really enjoy the learning process myself and being able to share that with other people. I've just been lucky enough to have the opportunity to build things with CNC machines, play with electronics, and understand these things at a higher level and gain more education myself, but also just build my own projects and get to know how does this process work. And I enjoy sharing that ideal with students and allowing them to create their own curiosity and excitement towards this field.